What is up, YouTube? So today, I'm here to unbox, review, and show you the on foot of the Jordan Max Aura 2 Cool Gray and Medium Gray. But before I start, I got a little story for you guys, alright? Because I know you guys like to hear some story. So here's a story from back in the day, alright? Now you guys know I was born in Africa, in Nigeria, alright? And I grew up to the age of 11, I moved to the United States, alright? But here's my experience back in Africa, okay? I have never been a pet lover, okay? Just like every other kid in the world, I grew up innocent, okay? And innocent kids, when they see animals, they like animals, all right? They can pet dogs, pet rabbits, pet little puppies, all right? Now for me, I've never really thought anything of animals. I was just like maybe neutral. I was positive but and negative at the same time. So I've never really been a pet lover like that, all right? Now, we had a big house in Africa, okay? A little bit of land to it. And what separated our house to the next house next to us was a fence, okay? A brick fence that was built, all right? I had a friend next door that was around my age, all right? That was my boy. We used to hang out all the time together, okay? And anytime I went over, I used to jump over the fence in order to get to his house. Now, mind you, my friend, we were cool together. We played every type of games. And I knew he had a dog, all right? And the dog was ferocious. And I mean, he used to bark all the time. Any little peek at you with any food or it would want to bite you. I know that for a fact because they never ever allow the dog to come out, especially when kids come around, right? They lock the dog up, all right? Now, in my friend's yard, there's a mango tree there, all right? I don't know if any one of you guys have ever lived in a hot country, all right? And in particular in Africa, mangoes grow there, all right? So in his yard, he had a tall, huge mango tree. And I mean, this tree must have had like 20,000 mangoes on it, okay? And you know it's a hot country, so whenever you want to quench your thirst, all you got to do is just go there, pluck a mango, and you know mangoes are juicy, so you get your thirst quenched right away. You understand what I'm saying? This is Africa that we're talking about, all right? So every time I went over to his house, hop over the fence, I will find the longest stick you can find on a tree and I'll break it off, all right? The longer the stick, the better. So I reach up and I knock the mangoes down. You know what I'm saying? Knock 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 mangoes. Gather them together, walk towards the fence where I'm coming from, and hop over right back. And I'm sitting in front of the house, eating mangoes, just chilling, you know? Or I go inside the house and have my mangoes in there. Or store them in the refrigerator, all right? Where it's cooler, have my mangoes whenever I want, all right? Africa's a beautiful place, by the way, guys. If you ever get an opportunity to go to Africa, please do. Beautiful, beautiful place, all right? Fruits growing everywhere, all right? So this is what I used to do. I used to go next door, eat off the tree. That's all I used to do. Just take mangoes, eat it with the skin or without the skin. So it was so good. His parents knew I came over. He knew I came over. It was all good. Now, these people have been watching me for a while, okay? Because even when it's not home, I jump over the fence and go get mango, right? So they must have been watching me for a while, right? I don't know. Maybe they might not like me being there, all right? Even when they're not home, you know what I'm saying? So here is where things get crazy, right? This day, I decided to go get some mangoes because I was hungry, right? So, as usual, hopped over the fence. Let's go. Where the mangoes at? You know, looked around. Grabbed the longest stick I could find. Okay. It's time to get some mangoes, all right? So I see one that was ripe. And when I say ripe, it's yellowish and green. It's, you know, it's turning yellow from green. Knock it down. I saw another one, I knocked it down. Saw another one, knocked it down. So I had about 4 to 5 mangoes, right? In my hand, I was just getting ready to leave, all right? And I started hearing the dog growl. I said, what's going on, man? What's this dog? At first, I couldn't see it. Because I was just concentrated on grabbing these mangoes together and getting the hell out of there. Because I know for a fact, I don't like the sound of the dog. So that's number one. Next thing I know, the garage door just opens. The dog starts running after me, right? I was so scared. As soon as I saw the dog behind me, I threw all the mangoes on the floor and frantic, right? Because I knew if I don't get the hell out of here, this dog is gonna bite me. It's gonna eat me up. I'm gonna be his mango. He's gonna quench his thirst. I'm gonna be his food. So I was like, I gotta get the hell out of here as fast as possible. So I jetted for the fence. I ran. The dog ran right after me. And if you look at the dog, it has the most beastie looking eyes. Drools coming out of his mouth like he wanted to bite the hell out of me. Crazy looking dog. And I knew if I stopped, he was gonna bite me. But there was nobody around to help me. So that was gonna be a tough one. So I did what I do every day. Ran towards the fence. Okay? And as soon as I got on the fence, I hopped on the fence. I felt him bite my pants, alright? He bit my pants and held onto it. But because I was already halfway over the fence, I flipped over. Alright? I must have landed my head on a brick or something, right? Don't know if I did or not, but I know I woke up and I looked around and the dog was gone. What happened, my experience with that dog actually made me stop liking animals. You understand what I'm saying? I don't know if it did something to me. I just stopped liking animals, you know, especially dogs, you know what I'm saying? Now, fast forward about 20 to 30 years later, now I still don't have any pets, you know what I'm saying? I'm married, I got kids, and I won't even buy any pet. But for the first time in a long time, I now have a pet in my house, okay? And that's because I have kids, all right? A turtle, you know what I'm saying? So we got a turtle in the house now. And, you know, sometimes I look at it, you know what I'm saying? It's cute or whatnot, but I don't pick it up. But something small and that's not threatening, that's good for me, you know what I'm saying? I'm just learning to like pets again, you know what I'm saying? But it takes time to, especially anybody that's been bitten by a dog or has a ferocious dog bite them. I don't particularly like animals like that. I really have to trust them, you know what I'm saying? I really, really, really have to trust them, you know what I'm saying? But this little pet, you know, it's small, you can hold it in your hands. I've never held it yet, but you know what I'm saying, it's cute, you know what I'm saying? Something good to have around your house. So I could start with something small until I get something big. But either way, guys, let's talk about this Jordan Max Aura 2. For all you Jordan Max Aura lovers, all right? Let's check it out. The Jordan Max Aura 2. Cool gray, medium gray. Let's take a look at it. Let's see what it looks like. And if you don't have them already, they come in a box that looks just like this. All right, I ordered it on December 28th because that's how I know for a fact that it came out last year. I'm a little late on the review, but this particular color, to my Jordan Max Aura lovers, is another addition to your collection. All right, the different colors. This particular one is made of all suede. All right, and a little bit of leather over here. All right, the Jordan Max Aura 2s all pretty much look the same, but I'm feeling this color over here. You understand what I'm saying? Nice little chunky bottom right there. The Jordan logo right there. Got the Jordan logo right there. I've always said this, the Jordan Max Auras are very stylish kicks, all right? They are stylish, all right? And to you, Jordan Max Aura lovers, what do you guys think about these, huh? These are definitely dope. I give this a 7 out of 10, man, you know? It's definitely 7 out of 10. I'm loving it. I'm loving it, you know what I'm saying? I got it from Foot Locker for 120 bucks. I've always said this, Jordan Max Aura 2s, they don't sell out like the retros, but they do come with different colors and things like that. These Jordan Max Auras are definitely became popular. They're becoming more popular. And by the way, these are made of all suede, right? All right. And if you ever get any dirt on these, all you have to do is just get crepe, okay? Crepe eraser, and then take off any dirt that you put on these. Suedes are hard to maintain, especially in the rain. Scratches and things like that. So on a sunny day, I'll bring these out, you know, and I try to not get any dirt too much, you know what I'm saying? I want to keep this really, really clean. If it was leather, that's a different story, you know what I'm saying? So when it comes to water or it comes to dirt, you can maintain leather a little bit better, but these are suede, you know what I'm saying? So you got to be a little more careful with it. These are stylish, you know, I love it, you know what I'm saying? It's cool grace, it's fire. I'm feeling it, man. I give this a 7 out of 10, guys, you know what I'm saying? I got this from Foot Locker for 120 bucks. It was released last year. You guys let me know what you think about this. If you like it, is it dope or is it not? Would you copy it or would you drop it? Which one? All right? I've not come to the end of my video, guys. Thank you for watching my video. If you're new to this channel, click that subscribe button. And if you're not, you know what to do. Click that like button, click that share button. Come back again, watch my video. And until next time, just maybe, I might see you with these on. Or maybe I might not. Who knows? One of these.